Waterfalls.
Yeah.
We got Rudy here with us. She's actually going really well.
Yeah, but she's scared.
Yeah, she's always shaking, always nervous. Got up pretty early this morning. Got up at like, actually, I'm kind of used to it, but we got up around like 5. Got here, got to the train before we get there.
So we just made it to this town. I don't know the name. It's actually really difficult to say it. Campdevànol. One thing we noticed right away when we stepped out of the train, it's actually cold here. But it's not cold. What is it, like 21 degrees?
Yeah, it's probably about 5 degrees cooler than Barcelona.
It's just different from Barcelona because we're up north.
We're in the mountains.
Yeah, we're in the mountains. So we have a 3-kilometer walk. That's when we start the hike. Huh?
We ain't gonna make it.
Rudy's not gonna make it.
Look, there's another group ahead of us.
We're following them because we are not really sure where we're going, but...
Tres chicas.
Look at you. It's very peaceful. There's no sidewalks.
Walked up this big old hill.
Big old hill.
This hill's like a mountain. And we still haven't made it to the waterfall. How many kilometers?
I think it's like 15 minutes.
Oh, look. I want to show you guys something. So these are all the activities that you can do here. You can see there's a little picnic type area. Zip lining. We probably won't do that today because... And then you can see that there's a restaurant too. That's pretty cool. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
So there's more.
Brought snacks because Lance is on a diet. He can't be eating out. I made some biscuits.
It's not a diet. It's a nutritional program.
It's a diet. It's
but yeah, we
word.
did bring our own food. We finally made it. This is just the start of the trail.
Yeah. We've been walking for like 40 minutes and we're not even on the trail yet. It's not the best. It's not the best route. Oh my goodness. Look how steep that is, babe.
On my other hand.
Do you see that?
Yeah, hold on, Rudy.
We have to hold on to the rope. Oh gosh. Babe, my shoes are so slippery.
Yeah, hold on to the rope on the shoes.
You ready?
Yeah. You gonna get me in case I slip?
Yeah.
Hold on, Rudy.
And me. The camera will go with me. Oh gosh.
Go. Even Rudy's nervous. Come on.
Yeah, it's really steep.
All right, waterfall number 1. You gotta actually get the waterfall.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
Did you expect it to be bigger?
No,
No, I didn't expect it either.
it's actually nice. It's cute. It's kind of, like we said, it's kind of cool outside, but this would be like the perfect little lagoon to go swimming in.
Yeah, and I like the area. It's like hidden.
Yeah. So this would be perfect to swim in if it was not so chilly.
This is the biggest waterfall you've seen? It's so difficult to get to the fountain, the waterfall.
Now we gotta go back up. Oh my gosh. What is going on with our dog? Alright, we're coming up to waterfall number 2. This one isn't as bad as the other one. Let me see if I can get down here while I'm recording. Oh, this one's nice. I like this one a lot better than waterfall number 1.
Yeah?
The whole area is just nice. I love these waterfalls because it feels like you're in like a lagoon.
Yeah.
And it's super cool.
Yeah, it's hidden.
Yeah.
Rudy is
She's
having
gone.
the
Rudy,
time
no.
of it, Rudy.
This dog. Waterfall number 3.
That's a tiny one.
This isn't a waterfall.
No.
This is like the water's just gonna dump down. Like a river. No, it's not a dam, but it's waterfall number 3.
I might go in. Are you gonna go in with me?
I might, because we got good sun.
Yeah, that's why I'm thinking this one is a perfect one.
Yeah, we can try it. How cold is it? Yeah, that's that Icelandic cold.
Waterfall number 4. That's a cute one. I can't walk without laughing, clapping and yelling at Rudy.
I like this one.
It's nice.
Yeah.
You could definitely swim in there, have a little shower.
This would be perfect to swim in.
Yeah, it's September. It's a little cold. But I don't know if what? Rudy? Where's Rudy? Where are you going? Papa is getting mad.
Alright, this is waterfall number 5.
Oh, there's something on it.
Waterfall number 5 isn't that great,
No.
but it's good for the dogs to play.
So that one was very small.
Not just small, it just wasn't like convenient.
Yeah, there wasn't any like area around it where you can sit down.
Yeah, and it wasn't really like, it was nice, but it wasn't really.
Yeah. Wait, are we going?
I don't know which way we're going.
Oh, here, no.
No, I think we gotta go back and down.
Oh wait, babe, there's a sign here. What are you gonna do? Wait, the other one is coming towards you, babe. No, from above. Oh no, it went. It's already looking at you evil.
Look on the trail.
What are you doing?
I'm going fishing.
Yeah.
We're gonna fish with the fish.
You're really gonna give them that?
It's all about patience. Alright, so we just hiked the 7 waterfalls. It was actually really nice. Yeah. Highly recommend it. 10 out of 10. Tips: before you do this, bring a lot of water, because I'm cottonmouth right now.
And also don't plan anything else. Like
it's an all-day thing.
Even though the hike is only like 4 or 5 hours to get here from Barcelona, it's like 2 hours one way.
2 hours the next.
Yeah,
4 hours together. And then bring food for lunch and snacks. Wear your swimming clothes and hiking shoes.
And bring a blanket. So
you can just relax at each one of the spots. Make sure you have a dog that listens to you. We kind of working on that, but she did a good job today. Pretty much all we can recommend right now. If you have any more questions, comment down below. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the family. Turn on that notification bell so you can see more of our videos coming up soon. And we will see you guys later, dudes.
You said 1,
oh,
2,
wrong one.
3, baby, look, got me. A 1, 2, 3, just keep your eyes on me.